Hey everyone, Moshe is here, the Electric Israeli. I'm in my garage, and overnight I got a notification about a software upgrade. Man, they come every week almost, and this one was very interesting. It was weather software upgrade. Not too many details, but basically it talks about the door handle. It talks about the window and the charge port. So right now outside it's 17 degrees and I'm in the garage, and the garage gets 20 degrees warmer here. So the car is not frozen, unlike my Chevy Volt and my Leaf outside, which are frozen. I'm going to show to you in a minute. So basically owners had issues popping the door handle. So I'm not going to have an issue with that. See, it popped right out. But what happened also is with the window, because if you see, let me open it again. As you know, the Tesla doors do not have any frame. So this window would come down a little bit, and then when you close, it will go up. So if this car was outside, I would assume, according to the update, this window will not go all the way up, which is a problem if it stays outside. What if it started to freezing rain or snow? It will sneak right in. And the latch here, according to Tesla, would have not closed all the way. It will be a little bit open so you can pop it out and charge your car. So I have no evidence that this happening, because I know my car did get the update. The only thing I can tell you is, what if I go inside the car? Okay, so the window went down. So I'm going inside the car, and I am, 1 minute, I'm going to close. So the window went up. Now let me see. I'm going to see if I can bring the window up even more. Yes, it did go up. It felt like it went up a little bit. I don't think so. I don't think so. So anyway, so that's the update. Guys, if you experience something, let me know, because I have no idea. I have no idea if this actually worked. So my car is now, it's in the garage obviously. So I see it's 39 degrees in the garage. Outside is more than 20 degrees colder. So I don't know if it would have been a difference. Maybe I'll you know what? I know what I'll do. I'll park it tonight outside and see what happens. All right, so let me know, guys. Here it is. It's 39 degrees, as you see. All right, if you see anything in your cars, let me know. Thanks, guys.